Welcome to our guide on the best AI tools for creating social media ads. In today's fast-paced digital world, businesses and marketers are constantly seeking innovative ways to captivate their audiences. And what better way than leveraging the power of artificial intelligence? Whether you're in the USA, Kosovo, the United Kingdom, or beyond, we've got you covered. Let's dive into our top recommendations. First on our list is AdBrain. This tool is revolutionizing how marketers design ad campaigns. AdBrain uses machine learning algorithms to analyze user data, helping you craft ads that truly resonate with your target demographic. Imagine having the insights to predict which ads will perform best. That's AdBrain's promise. It's ideal for businesses looking to maximize engagement across platforms like Facebook and Instagram. Next up is Creatify. This AI powerhouse is perfect for those who want to streamline their creative process. Creatify offers an intuitive interface where you can generate high-quality visuals and catchy ad copy tailored to your brand's voice. It's like having a creative team at your fingertips, ready to produce engaging content that stands out in crowded social media feeds. Our third recommendation is OptiAd. If optimizing ad spend and improving ROI is your goal, look no further. OptiAd utilizes predictive analytics to suggest the best strategies for your ad budget. It helps you identify which platforms and audience segments will yield the highest returns, ensuring every dollar spent is a dollar well invested. Choosing the right AI tool can seem daunting, but with these top contenders, you're well on your way to enhancing your social media ad strategy. Each tool offers unique features that cater to different aspects of advertising, from design and creativity to data-driven decision-making. In conclusion, embracing AI in your advertising efforts not only streamlines the process, but also empowers you with the data and insights necessary for success. So why wait? Explore these tools and watch your social media ads reach new heights. Thank you for joining us in this exploration of AI tools for social media advertising. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share this video with fellow marketers who could benefit from these insights. Until next time, keep innovating and engaging your audience with the power of AI.